Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Chevy or an Opel with the Ecotec engine, guys, Ecotec, and you're trying, guys, to disconnect the fuel line, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Let me show you guys what we're doing here and what I'm talking about. So that Ecotec engine, guys, is being used on Chevy and Opel vehicles as well. So this is, guys, your fuel line, okay, right here. How you disconnect that thing, guys, there is a few tricks and a special tool involved in it. Now, every vehicle we get at the shop, guys, will make at least 200 videos. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So, what first we need to do? That fuel line, guys, is under enormous amount of pressure and the fuel rail is right here. Now, if you disconnect it and the engine is hot or you have an open flame spark somewhere, you will catch your car on fire. Now, there are two ways, okay? Two ways to release the pressure, okay, so you don't have any pressure in that fuel rail. One is you need to find the fuse, guys, in the fuse box for the fuel pump, remove the fuse, okay, start the car and let it run until it dies and runs out of fuel. The second method is the correct one. Okay, right here now there is one cap. Okay, and this cap, guys, once you remove it, there is a valve. There is a special tool that you connect and you can get the pressure out of the system, so you don't need to worry about spilling so much fuel, even though most likely you still spill some. Always, guys, use eye protection glasses because nothing can spray in your eyes and severely hurt you. Now, this is, guys, the tools that we'll be using right here, and let me show you, okay, what we'll be doing. So first, guys, okay, we need to remove that safety lock on it, and how we do that, okay, it goes okay, like that here. We pull it down, okay. If it doesn't want to come out, pull the line a little bit up, you'll gain a little bit more room and you'll be able to pull it out. Now, or you can hold like a towel here or something so it doesn't spray in your eyes, but I won't be able to show you. So what I'll do, I'll get a tool that fits the outside of this pipe. So this is the blue one, works really good for us. So now you need to push that pipe down and at the same time you need to push the tool up on both sides at the same time. So check it out now. Okay, like that. Now, careful not to spray. Gently start pulling that thing out. Okay, and the fuel line came out, like that. You can see you don't need to worry about breaking anything. Okay, you have 4 teeth inside, 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth holding in place. How you guys install that thing? All we have to do, okay, just push it down until you hear the click. Try to pull it a couple times, not going anywhere. Then you pull it up as much as you can. You're going to install the safety pin right here and then push it like that. So this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please, hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.